Ever struggled with unevenly cooked meals or bulky countertop microwaves? Fire emoji. Today, we're revealing the top 8 best built-in microwave ovens that solve that exact problem: sleek, powerful, and space-saving. Welcome to my channel. Check the links in the description to grab these smart kitchen upgrades and cook like a pro. Fork and knife with plate emoji, sparkles emoji. On number 8 is FORNO child safety. What if your microwave could give you peace of mind and spotless convenience all at once? That's the promise behind the FORNO built-in microwave with child safety lock and self-cleaning features, a standout in the top 8 best built-in microwave ovens. Families worry about kids accidentally starting the oven or leaving a mess behind. FORNO solves this with an intuitive safety lock and a self-cleaning interior that feels almost magical. Reheating leftovers is even and fast, and cooking meals is precise and consistent. Compared to others on this list, it edges out in safety and convenience, though it's slightly larger. Pros: safe for kids, easy cleaning, consistent cooking. Cons: bigger footprint, higher price. For families valuing safety, efficiency, and stress-free cleanup, this is a smart, practical choice. Not ideal for tiny kitchens, but perfect for peace of mind. At number 7 is ZLINE built-in convection. What if your microwave could cook like a pro while saving counter space? That's exactly what the ZLINE built-in convection microwave oven brings to the table, making it a strong contender in the top 8 best built-in microwave ovens. Many people struggle with uneven heating, long cook times, or bulky countertop models. ZLINE solves this with convection technology that cooks food evenly and efficiently, giving professional-style results with minimal effort. Reheating leftovers or roasting vegetables comes out perfectly. Compared to other models on this list, it stands out for speed, consistent heat, and sleek design, though it may require a slightly larger installation space. Pros: even cooking, fast performance, modern design. Cons: installation requires planning, higher price point. If you want reliable, fast, and precise cooking with a touch of elegance, this is a smart, stress-free choice. Not for tiny kitchens, but perfect for anyone serious about kitchen efficiency. On number 6 is Emerson LED timer display. What if timing your meals perfectly was no longer a hassle? That's the promise of the Emerson LED timer display built-in microwave, and it shines in the top 8 best built-in microwave ovens lineup. Many users struggle with inaccurate cooking times, overcooked leftovers, or confusing controls. Emerson solves this with a bright, easy-to-read LED timer that makes monitoring simple and stress-free. From reheating dinner to defrosting, everything comes out evenly and predictably. Compared to other models on this list, it's less flashy but excels in user-friendliness and reliability. Pros: clear LED display, precise timing, consistent results. Cons: lacks advanced convection features, simpler design. For anyone valuing convenience, peace of mind, and easy operation, this is a smart, dependable choice. Not for tech enthusiasts, but perfect for daily stress-free cooking. At number 5 is Summit built-in drawer microwave. What if your microwave could disappear into your kitchen seamlessly while still handling big meals with ease? That's the magic of the Summit wide built-in drawer microwave, making it a standout choice in the top 8 best built-in microwave ovens. Many built-in microwaves feel cramped or hard to access. Summit's wide drawer design solves this, offering effortless reach and roomy capacity for plates, bowls, or full casserole dishes. Reheating leftovers or defrosting large portions comes out even and efficient. Compared to other models on this list, it's more spacious and ergonomic, though it requires dedicated installation space. Pros: wide interior, easy access, even cooking. Cons: larger footprint, higher installation requirement. Perfect for families or anyone craving convenience, safety, and space efficiency. Not for tiny kitchens, but ideal for those who cook big and want peace of mind. At number 4 is BLACK+DECKER push-button door. What if your microwave could combine simplicity, reliability, and effortless operation all in one? That's exactly what the BLACK+DECKER digital microwave oven with turntable and push-button door delivers, making it a solid contender in the top 8 best built-in microwave ovens. Many users face uneven cooking or fussy controls, especially in busy kitchens. BLACK+DECKER solves this with a responsive turntable for even heating and an easy push-button door that feels intuitive. Reheating leftovers, defrosting, or warming snacks all come out consistently. Compared to other models on this list, it's more straightforward and user-friendly, though it lacks premium convection features. Pros: even cooking, easy access, reliable digital controls. Cons: no advanced convection, smaller interior. Ideal for anyone seeking convenience, safety, and dependable everyday performance. Not for power users, but perfect for daily stress-free use. On number 3 is Rugged Trails Products Stainless Steel. What if your microwave could combine durability, style, and flawless performance all at once? That's exactly what the Rugged Trails Stainless Steel Microwave Oven with Turntable delivers, earning its spot among the top 8 best built-in microwave ovens. Many built-in microwaves scratch easily, feel flimsy, or cook unevenly. Rugged Trails solves this with a robust stainless steel exterior and a reliable turntable that ensures food heats evenly every time. From reheating leftovers to defrosting family meals, it performs consistently without fuss. Compared to other models on this list, it's tougher and more durable, though slightly larger in size. Pros: durable build, even cooking, sleek stainless design. Cons: bulkier footprint, fewer advanced functions. Ideal for those valuing longevity, safety, and daily dependability. Not for tiny kitchens, but perfect for families who need a sturdy, stress-free appliance. At number 2 is Sharp Carousel Turntable. What if your microwave could adapt to any dish while keeping your kitchen mess-free? That's the edge of the Sharp oven with removable 16.5 inches carousel turntable, earning its place among the top 8 best built-in microwave ovens. Many built-in microwaves struggle with uneven heating or oversized dishes. Sharp solves this with a large, removable carousel turntable that spins your food evenly while giving flexibility to cook bigger meals without hassle. Reheating, defrosting, or cooking full platters all come out smoothly and consistently. Compared to others on this list, it offers unmatched versatility, though it requires extra counter or cabinet space. Pros: even heating, removable carousel for flexibility, large capacity. Cons: bigger footprint, higher price. Perfect for families or anyone who loves cooking variety without stress. Not for tiny kitchens, but ideal for those who want convenience, safety, and consistency. Now moving to the last one is GE Broil and Crisper Pan. What if your microwave could fry, broil, and crisp like a mini countertop oven? That's exactly what the GE Fry Microwave with Broil and Crisper Pan delivers, making it a standout choice in the top 8 best built-in microwave ovens. Traditional microwaves leave food soggy or unevenly cooked. GE changes the game with its broil and crisper functions, ensuring golden, crispy results without extra pans or hassle. Reheating, frying, or roasting, every dish comes out perfectly cooked. Compared to other models on this list, it's versatile and efficient, though slightly larger in size. Pros: crisping capability, broil function, even cooking. Cons: bigger footprint, higher learning curve. Ideal for those craving versatility, convenience, and professional style results. Not for small kitchens, but perfect for families wanting fast, delicious meals with peace of mind. After testing all options, the GE Fry Microwave with Broil and Crisper Pan stands out as the clear winner. It doesn't just reheat, it transforms meals with crisp, golden results you usually get from a full oven. Compared to other built-in microwaves, its broil and crisper functions bring unmatched versatility, making every dish tastier and more satisfying. If you want effortless, flavorful cooking with professional-style results and everyday convenience, this is the one worth investing in. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best built-in microwave oven 2026. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.